A good life is about kindness, purpose, and gratitude. It is not about wealth, but loving others and appreciating what we have. The happiness comes living simply and doing good every day.
Climate change. Climate change is caused mainly by human activities that increase greenhouse gases, leading to rising temperatures and extreme weather. By conserving energy, reducing waste, and supporting sustainable practices, so people can help protect the planet's Earth.
Nanotechnology is a science with working with materials with small, tiny scale, about 1 to 100 nanometers. To imagine how small it is, a single strand of hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide. Even though it's tiny, nanotechnology has huge impact in our lives.
We are protecting our biodiversity. We are also protecting our future. That is why caring for our environment is not an option, but a responsibility for everyone. A healthy society depends on biodiversity because when nature is balanced, people are healthier too. Forest reduces pollution, ocean provide food, and animals maintain natural cycles. If we are protecting our biodiversity, we are also protecting our future. That is why protecting our environment is not an option, but because of
technology has become a huge part in our daily lives. We use it to communicate, solve problems faster than ever before. But now, as technology grew, we must ask ourselves, are we using technology wisely or are we being too dependent on it? Technology is powerful, but humanity gives it meaning, like human emotions, creativity, and compassions. That are things that machines can never fully replace. So when technology and humanity cross, balance is important.
Please don't make me think of it like you can't think of deep. You talk to me dirty, I'm talking back like a replay.